Hi and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you a few sections that has been added in the project. So the first thing that I will show you guys is how to add staff role. These are different from system roles, that is HR, super admin, etc. So let me show you how to add it. So you have to come to this project and under settings you must be logged in from a owner account or some other account which has got the authority to um, access these employees. Right now everything is open, that means the employees can also see this thing because I have not yet added the permission thing. I will be adding it maybe in 1 to 2 days. So you have to come to this employees and you will find two tabs: roles settings and required certificates. So here I have already added the roles that were given to me in the required docs. So administrator, assessor, IQA, manager, tutor. So let me just add one more demo role, and the role has been added. So in order to, as you can see, the web developer role has been added here. And if you want to edit something, you just have to click on this role will appear here, and you can just make changes. So the change will be made full stack developer. So in order to define the required certifications for a particular role, you have to come to this required certificates, and let's see, let me add this one. I've not added for any other roles because I don't know which role requires what. So I will just add for the full stack developer, and right now it does not display anything. That is because from the drop down menu it's selected manager. What you have to do is you have to select full stack developer. So here you will find that graduation certificate is required for a full stack developer. So if you come back to the role settings, you will see that delete is pending. That's because for doing this thing I need to set permissions, and I also need to check multiple records for it. So I will add it and let you guys know about it. And for this also it is pending. I'm going to add the delete functionality very soon. Alright, so the next thing that I should show you guys is how to update the staff role of existing employees. So in order to do that, what you have to do is you have to come to employees and list. Here you will find all the employees that are in the list, and let me just edit mine. So Shivnath Roy, Royan Coates. So I will just go to the edits. You will see that staff role in company is required because we added it right now. It is not added for any employee. So I will just add it full stack developer, and I will edit and close it. So if I want to see if it has been updated or not, yes, it has been updated to full stack developer, and I will just close it. So the next thing that we should see is how to add required certificate type. Okay, we have already seen that I showed you guys here, where I added one of the certificates for full stack developer here. So if you add certificate type that are required for any other role, they will appear here. Right now it is all empty because I've just added one certificate type for full stack developer and nothing else, because I don't know what certificates are required for a particular role. So I will come to the timesheets, to the profile section, and I will select Shivnath from the list, and I will go to this certification section. So here I'm going to show you guys how you can add how you can upload the certificate type, and you can also define when that particular certificate certification was done. So let me check. Start is, let's say, okay, let me go back to 2000 and let's say 12 January something. Okay, 12 January, 12 Jan, and don't forget to click on OK. And let's say, here also don't forget to click OK. And let me just select a image for the certificate or any other file. So let me select one from here. Additional info, or completed it in one go. Okay, so I have added this thing, and let me just add it here. So as you can see, the certificates get added here. So right now the permissions are open. So here you will find that there is this tick mark. So this gray one says that it has not been verified that by the super admin or the authorities. So right now I am logged in as Jasveer ma'am, so I can authorize it. But just note that right now the permissions are open, even the user can uh, verify the certificates. So I'm going to add those things. Those are the last thing that I add to a project because I need to keep it open for testing purposes. So in order to view it, so right now it's in verified form. So if I try to delete it, you cannot delete the verified certificates. So for safeguarding, I have kept this way. So you can view the certificates like this, and that's it. This is how we upload certificates in the section. So